everyone, and welcome back. This last weekend was extremely hot. When I got here yesterday, inside the camper was 106 degrees. It got to 95 or 96 outside. Anyway, it's supposed to be hot like that this whole entire week. Today when I drove into the campground here, my truck said 98 degrees. And the high was supposed to be about 94. I think it's 94 all week long. So this might be the longest hot stretch we've had since 1988. And it's just brutal. I worked the guys until 2:30 today, and then we called it a day. I mean, you're just sitting there and your t-shirt is just drenched. But, and it took my refrigerator 2 full days now, or, you know, over almost 2 full days to get cool. I had to have everything in a cooler yesterday. There's just no way it can cool down that fast when it's so hot inside the camper. This campground though is right on the river. Like this part is on the top of the hill, and at the bottom there is the river, and she brought me down there one time. I just can't remember. It must be this way. And I want to go down there because I want to get some mudbugging in possibly. And now that it's going to be so hot this week, that water is going to be warm enough. And I might want to try a little bit of fishing one night. I keep saying that, but my schedule is just so busy. I don't seem to have time to let's go throw a worm in for a while, you know. These are all tent campsites down here. It's pretty tight for my truck. When she drove me down here, it was in a little car. Well, I guess I can't go beyond this point. I'm just going to park here and we're going to go take a look at the river though. This isn't the actual river, this is just a part that comes off of it. But you know, if there's any mud bugs in here, and I know that there's mud bugs, this is the same river that I trap tons of them in every year, but this part of the river is sandy. Where I catch them, it's rocky. But this is a little side outlet here that it might have some in there. That's like stagnant Louisiana water there. Now this right here would be a nice campsite, huh? Right on the river. She wasn't lying when she said it was sandy here. I just don't have very good luck catching crawfish in a sandy bottom. She said up here is where people come and catch smallmouth bass. Most of these huge trees here are maple trees. This one here is a silver maple. It's absolutely beautiful down here. I see raccoon tracks. I see clamshells. I do not see any dead crawfish though. Nice big white oak trees. if Melissa ever comes down and stays the night on the weekend, we were talking about maybe doing that and seeing if Zach and Sam wanted to come down. I would rent one of the golf carts that they have here so you could buzz around on all these trails down here. That's where you can launch your boat. Well, it's dropped down to 88 degrees, so I started up the campfire. I want to cook up a couple of, they're just round steaks, but get them cooked up so I got something to eat today and tomorrow. Last week when it got down. Well, I waited until I am not sitting in my chair sweating so I could take a shower, so I'll come back to this video, I don't know, tomorrow, whenever I think there's something I want to film. I'm heading to work. It's going to be another scorcher today. Well, it was a fairly miserable hot day at work today. I let the guys go early because it was just too hot. On the ride home, my truck thermometer got as high as 103. It stayed at 100 for a long time. When I got back here to the camper, it was 97. And now it's in the shade here, it's dropped down to 83 degrees, so it's pretty nice. And I got the air conditioner going in the camper, so it's pretty nice in there. I'm not doing a whole lot in here. Last night I made the last camper video public, so I'm doing comments on that right now. Today is Melissa's birthday, so I've been talking with her. I finished editing the last farmhouse video this morning before work, and then rendered it while I was at work, watched it, it's good, so I'm going to upload that overnight tonight. Otherwise, I'm just enjoying the air conditioning. I'm just about to get in the shower here, but I was going through comments and this Grace Bowers suggested that I get this. It's like an insulation for your windows. It's, I don't know if it's bubble wrap with like tin foil on each side, but I looked it up and it looks amazing. So I thought that was a brilliant idea, and I just ordered 2 rolls. Should be here this weekend at the farmhouse, and I can bring it down here, put it on the windows, and I bet you that will help a lot with the air conditioner trying to keep up. Okay everyone, I took a well-needed shower. I see some lightning off in the distance. I don't know if it's coming this way or not, but it's time for me to go to bed. Good morning, everybody. A couple minutes after 6, heading off to work. Today it's supposed to be hotter than it was yesterday. There's a few hit or miss showers going through tonight. 6:29 right now. Still 92 degrees outside. Be nice if one of those showers would come over here, and it hasn't yet, and cool down the camper. Ever since the showers started popping up in the area, the internet it'll come on for a second and stop. I have my phone on as a hotspot so I can run my YouTube and stuff like that, but I don't run the TV off from it. That storm right there just popped up like right around the camper, and it's going to miss it because it's going to the right and up, so we're out of it now. But maybe that second line to the left will drop a little rain here. A nice quick little downpour. They went from 92 down to 86 in, I don't know, about 6-7 minutes. Hopefully it'll keep dropping. It's been raining hard now for almost 10 minutes and it's still 86 degrees outside. The sun will come out like this, so then I shut the shades, but it's not doing anything really to significantly drop the temperature. Somebody did say in comments I would shut the shades this way, but then the light can come through and hit the table. So if you do it the other way, it stops that. And I did that today, and I actually think it helped a little bit. Good morning, everybody. One more work day, and I don't know if I'm going to go up to the farmhouse tonight or tomorrow morning. Today is supposed to be the hottest day of the week, so I know we won't be working all day, but I'm just not sure if I'll want to hook up and go tonight or leave early in the morning. This morning I have an 8 o'clock meeting in Chaska, Minnesota, which is about an hour and 10 minutes from the campground. I need to get some trusses ordered there. That's the next job I'm going to be doing after the one I'm on right now. And then from there I'll go up and work with the guys until it's too hot and just can't stand it anymore. Okay, everyone, well, thanks a lot for watching. I don't even know what kind of a video this is yet, but I can't wait to get out of here and get up where it's going to be a little bit cooler. I don't know if I'm looking forward to 58 degrees tomorrow, though. I mean, I'll wear my long johns until it's 60, so that's going to be kind of a shock. But right now it's, well, my truck said 103 for a while when I was coming home or back here. Melissa is in Superior at work right now, in Superior, Wisconsin. It's 68 degrees. I will see you guys on the next video.